CooKing Hunry.
Chicken and corn soup with aspargot. Unconventional but delicious. Ingredients are: first step, put on a song. My misso was sicko, so I made this for her. Get some water into that pot. Chuck a salt bay. Chicken bweast in. And boy, get another pot out and get 3 stock cubes and 6 cups of water in there. Doesn't this look like a chicken bath bomb? Whilst you've got those two heating up, what you want to do is get your aspargot and rip them into even sized chunks. You can do it large, small, whatever works, as long as they're roughly around the same size. The aspargot will become very soft in the water and the texture will become smooth and velvety. Very nice. Now you want to crack 2 eggs and give them a whisk. For advanced chefs, you can use centripetal force. For extra advanced chefs, you can even season the countertop with some extra egg. By the time you finish that, your chicken bweast will be ready to get shredded like yourself. Once your chicken bweast is cooked, use your figgy forks and shred the chicken.
Oh, that's a nice shot.
You're a nice shot.
Now that your chicken stock is warm, chuck in the aspargot and bring it back up to a boil. Once boiling, add 2 cans of creamed corn. This will bring the temperature down for your chicken bweast so you don't overcook it. Now you add the chicken bweast, of course.
Chicken bweast.
Don't you tell me how to say chicken bweast. Give that bad boy a nice stir. And now you add the egg. Let it stir in a circle and cook like this. It'll thicken up nicely. Add some pepper on that bad boy and you've got your chicken and corn soup. The king's got guests here so you can see multiple bowls. The king advises that you consume this whilst it's hot and steamy. Chicken and corn soup fit for a king. Tastes like...
This shit way too big. When we pull up, give me the loot.
Give me the look, give me the